नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सुशील सिंह है, आप इकोलेस देख रहे हैं। हमारे साथ इकोलेस पे आज हैं श्वेता गुप्ता जी, आसाम से हैं और इन्होंने एक ब्रांड शुरू किया है गुड रोड, द गुड रोड क्षमा कीजिएगा, इनका ब्रांड है। उसकी को-फाउंडर हैं, उसकी जो दूसरी को-फाउंडर है वो इनकी बहन है, उनका नाम श्रुति है। जैसे कि हर भारत का जो युवा है, वो किसी न किसी तरह से फ़िल्मों से जुड़ना चाहता है, तो मैम भी जुड़ी थी उससे। लेकिन वहाँ पे इनका दिल टूट गया ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, सो शी डिसाइडेड टू मूव ऑन एंड बिकम अ बिज़नेस वूमन। लेकिन वो जो बेस्ट ये था कि आ बहन चुगली करे से आ बहन बिजनेस करे पे चली गई वो, तो वो पहला पार्ट चला गया और दूसरे पार्ट में शी स्टार्टेड अ ग्रेट ब्रांड। हाउ आर यू श्वेता जी?
I'm good. Thank you so much for having
वाज
me.
दैट अ गुड डिस्क्रिप्शन? I said कि
Actually,
बहन
no,
लेट्स नॉट डू
I
दैट, लेट्स
never
डू अ बिजनेस।
wanted to be an actor.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
अच्छा।
So that's
व्हाई? क्यों? ऐसा क्या हुआ?
because I joined theater just to understand the art
हम्म,
and the whole concept behind it. Acting is something that I started learning, but my end goal was never to be an actor. So I just wanted to learn the business side of things. Post theater, since that was in college, there was no business angle to it. But later, I joined a YouTube channel and I run some video production projects. That's how I learned the business side of this thing.
ओके। मैं अभी भी नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ। लाइक यू जॉइन स्टेज, यू जॉइन थिएटर, बट टू अंडरस्टैंड द बिजनेस साइड ऑफ इट, इसका मतलब
Yes.
क्या हुआ?
How does this happen? Like, what's the audience? How do you grow in this industry? Who watches theater? आप कैसे पैसे कमा सकते हो theater करके? Is what I wanted to.
सीरियसली?
Yeah,
थिएटर करके ऑडियंस
bec-
लाना है, डू यू नो हाउ टफ इट इज?
it is. But back in the day, it wasn't because fortunately I was part of like a very renowned theater group, and this
अच्छा।
was in college. College में आप बस जो देखते हो, जो cool लगता है, you want to do it, right?
हम्म,
But I ended up being part of such a great theater group, which I didn't know at the time I was auditioning for it,
हम्म,
and that led me to the whole universe of films कैसे बनती हैं, digital ads कैसे बनते हैं. So that's how I got into. I was part of like the first few YouTube channels that was getting made in the country very back in the day, like 2014, 2015 की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. So I didn't join the theater group to be an actor. I just wanted to learn what's happening and मुझे कुछ वो थोड़ा सा creative knack चाहिए था.
I wrote some questions for you, but what your father used to do? Let's start from your beginning.
So my father has a coal trading business, and he still does that till date. But
Coal.
coal,
Okay.
yes.
So you're
So
not from poor family.
no, I'm not from
Okay.
a poor family.
The last name should give, ideally it should give it up to everybody that she's a Gupta, so obviously she's not from poor family.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Most
Acha,
of them,
because
yeah. Yeah,
Banya.
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
absolutely.
yeah. So I'm from a fairly privileged background. So the whole business knack of it is also that I've gotten from my father.
So you
Because
don't have those sob stories to tell to the world. मैं बहुत गरीब थी.
no, I don't.
How do you manage without them? I call them poverty porn. You know, it's like you tell their story, people start enjoying it. अच्छा, आप भी बहुत गरीब थे. So you don't have those stories
I
to
don't
tell.
have those stories, but
Mhm.
I do have the other side of it, that coming from a privileged background, having almost my entire family, right? They had some business or the other. But even then, I did not get the benefit of starting and running a business as smoothly as one might expect. People would think that, okay, she comes from a lot of privilege. Her dad must have invested a lot of money in her business. Things would have come easy in terms of how businesses are run, what's the basic step that you need to take care of in the initial days. Unfortunately, we did not have that. So the line that I chose, the video production bit, first of all, it's not their fault, they didn't understand it. And later
Or maybe
even
didn't love you enough. But go ahead, yeah.
they didn't understand the whole concept. This was very new to them, and even if they tried to help me in any way possible, it just showed that the trust isn't there. So I had to work a lot of years to, my fight was always to prove, okay, I have to prove something first. And the day that I cracked a really big project is the day that my parents actually believed in what we were trying to build. So both with my video production firm and the Good Road, it wasn't a cakewalk even when I came from a privileged
एक
background.
सवाल ये है, आपको नहीं लगता महिलाओं को प्रूव ही करते रहना पड़ता है हमेशा?
That's
Prove
true.
something.
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's
I'll
just the
allow you to play
sad.
your victim card. Go ahead. Throw it
I
on everybody's faces.
it's just sad. I mean, even right
But it's
now,
true. See,
it's
even if
true.
I'm making fun of it, but it's true.
No, no,
Women
it
have to
is
prove way
for
more
sure.
than what men are proving.
Absolutely. I mean, even in the day-to-day operations currently, we deal with corporates, right? So we majorly do corporate gifting. So I've seen how clients have treated us and not taken us seriously, because as as a woman, when I go into a meeting, there's a lot of hesitance.
Don't they think सांप कब आ रहे हैं?
Yeah,
Like
thankfully they've
ये
not,
कभी हुआ
yeah,
है कि
they've
सांप
not
कब आ रहे हैं?
said that to me on my face, but the hesitation is right there on their face, that how do we end up giving you so much money, right? Like, aren't you doing this just out of hobby? Isn't this just your hobby? Like, how can you be running a proper corporate firm? That's sort of unbelievable and unsettling for a lot of clients till date, sadly.
So my wife has this brand called as Devaco, which is around 500 crores. But even till today, whenever she goes for a meeting, they expect कि सांप कब आएंगे.
True.
And
That's sad.
it's so sad.
Yeah,
You know.
that's
But
sad.
once they start talking to her, that's when they realize नहीं 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 नहीं, सांप तो यही
Exactly.
है.
Yeah, that's true.
ये
You have
सांप ने
to
असली
prove.
मेहनत इन्होंने करी है बिल्कुल.
That's so true.
Mm.
So after every meeting, be it online, be it in person, I just feel so mentally exhausted. Like, it took me a lot of time to understand that it's just a simple meeting and it's part of my life. Why do I feel so exhausted and drained out after every small and big meeting is when I started realizing, because I take so much pressure that, it's all on me, not just to get the project, but also to prove my worth and the worth of the company that I'm building.
But इसी को I would let me define it differently. I call it father issue. Believe me.
Mhm.
जब ज्यादा प्रूव करना पड़ता है, इसका मतलब पहले बाप को बहुत प्रूव करना पड़ा. Unfortunately.
That's true. और
उसके बाद
आज
वो
भी करना
आदत
पड़ता
अजीब
है.
सी पड़ गई है कि नहीं 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 ठीक है, the other person is, let me prove myself to that person. I
Yeah.
don't know if that's true or not.
It might be. There
Mhm.
might be like one part of it might have to, like, this is a big. This plays a role because till date, my dad, whenever he would talk to me about my business, like, the words would be more around, okay, how much business are you doing? Like, is it going well? Those words of encouragement and appreciation is way less. I do understand it's coming from a good place, not doubting the intentions, but I think parents, they don't realize that how it's affecting someone who's taking it every day, right? Like, I would just fear taking my dad's call most of the times, because I will have to, give him, like, I will have to answer him, okay, how is the business doing? Even though, I mean, it's well, but, it's never good enough for him. And I don't know how to change that. I don't know which number would I have to achieve to make it good enough for
Be
him.
richer than him.
And that'll be a
Simple.
long journey.
Yeah. As long as you're richer than him, just show him
Yeah.
the bank balance कि पापा ये है मेरे पास. He'll
Yeah.
be like, oh, okay, बड़े हल्के में ले
But
लिया
don't you
इसको
think
मैंने.
this is like, I know this in my head, right? Because
But you know what I'm saying, right?
I know
Yeah.
that. But the whole journey of it is so toxic for you, right? Because
नहीं यार,
constant.
क्या toxic?
It is,
Competitive
because
है.
it's a
Toxic
lot
कहाँ
of
से?
pressure. See, because of course, whatever he has built, he has done it on his own, right? I'm not saying that he came from a lot of privilege and then he got to build such a big business, right? So when I see him, there's a lot of inspiration, but then the constant thought of, having to prove to him sometimes takes away from the milestones that you've achieved. Those does not feel significant enough because I haven't reached there yet. So it's just taking away from the journey a lot, and I sometimes feel, is it worth it? Like, by the time I reach there, I would have missed out on so much else. So that's a bit
Get
unsettling.
married to a guy who's like your father, maybe, and start ruling on him. छोटी चाय ला, पानी ला. You
I'm already
know?
married and he's not that guy.
Okay, all right. Then you missed it out. Otherwise
Yeah.
क्या होता है कि उधर का बदला इधर लेते हैं लोग.
No,
I've seen
yeah.
that happening.
Great. I didn't think of it from
Believe
this
me, I'm telling
perspective.
you. Yeah. My
Yeah.
daughter, okay, the elder daughter, अगर उसको कुछ issues होंगे, she'll go to her mother. But
Okay.
अगर कुछ achievement होगी, she'll come to me. I don't know why. I always tell her
Yeah.
कि क्यों करती है तू हमेशा ऐसे. But उसकी
Right.
personality की problem है ये. अगर उसको मेडल मिला है, सबसे पहले मुझे दिखाना है. लेकिन कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं चाहता हूँ मुझे प्रॉब्लम आके बताए. वो नहीं करती वो मम्मी को बताएगी, मुझे आके दिखाएगी, देखो मैंने ये किया है, देखो मैंने ये किया है.
Oh wow.
But it's
You cannot. You don't know where it
I
went
don't
wrong,
know.
or how
She's
did
just
this.
7.
Oh wow.
Nothing went
Okay.
wrong.
Yeah. So it just comes from a place
हाँ.
that you cannot possibly,
I
help or
don't know.
figure
I
out.
just
Yeah.
don't know. वो बचपन से फेमिनिस्ट भी है.
Oh wow.
बड़ा सरप्राइजिंग है. मुझे लगता था कि ये फेमिनिज्म वाला जो कीड़ा है,
हम्म.
ये 17-18 में लगता होगा लोगों को.
True.
वो 3 साल से पापा I'm a girl. जैसे मैंने बोला, अरे मेरा बच्चा, I'm not a बच्चा, I'm a बच्ची. She's very clear. Keep saying this. चलो मुझे इस बात की संतुष्टि है कि वोक नहीं बनेगी. वो क्लियर है कि मैं बच्ची हूँ. She'll not come out one day saying, no, I think I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
God for that. अच्छा, मुझे एक बात बताइए कि ये जो जर्नी आपने शुरू करी, थिएटर से फिर सडनली गिफ्टिंग में क्यों आए आप?
So this was not sudden. Theater से मैंने event try किया. I was part of this live music events जो organize करते थे that company. So I got this exposure of being a part of the biggest events in the country, like NH7 Weekender, Supersonic. But then I quickly realized this industry is not for me because so I value everything in terms of time. So time is money for me. So I just think of it this way, that I'm going to be spending so much time, and it's a lot of effort uh, inducing industry, right? You have to be on your foot बहुत बार, and आप बस travel कर रहे हो, like every Fridays I would be packing my bag, going to a different city, doing an event there, coming back on Fridays, reporting to the office. So I just felt that the amount of time and energy that's being invested in this work, I will never be able to make enough. I mean, it's going to take me a lot of time to reach where I want to be. So I just decided I'm going to part ways, and that's when, fortunately, my seniors from the theater group, they had launched this YouTube channel, and they were doing pretty well. They were already at 500,000 subscribers, and they were really renowned, and they were looking to hire someone who could manage their clients and the entire production bit of it. So that's how I joined them. I learned a lot, and within just, I think, 10 months, I pitched them to start a video production vertical with me as the 50% partner. So that's when I started my first ever business, by getting hands on with how a company is built from scratch, how to acquire clients, how to deliver on their terms. And gifting came along because I just so the rapport with them was not that great, because we were all bunch of friends, right? And again, that thought which I know so clearly now, why do I take a step back and analyze things from this perspective? Thankfully I had this. I don't know mere mein kahan se aaya ye, but I've been very fortunate that I can analyze things. Is it worth my time? And when I saw that my partners, all of the friends, their way of working did not match mine. They took things a bit slow, and I always thought from the perspective of scaling, losing out on time, and this and that. So I just knew in the
You're a
back of my
crazy
head.
person. Shall I say that? Let's be honest.
You could put it that way.
Yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, so I just knew that, okay, this is not going to be for me in the long run, specifically working with these people. But I had wanted to be in this industry because profit margins were crazy, right? So I wanted to grow a vertical of my own here. And that's when, but I always also knew that I don't ever want to build a business alone, because I knew what my limitations were. So that's when I reached my sister. She had just passed out. She'd finished her design course. I was like, do you want to do a business with me? And that's when we started this another video production company, and we started taking up some projects. And the Good Road came into being while we were working together, because both of us are so creative. I was like, okay, there's a real need for it. And the idea was not defined at all. We started from a lifestyle subscription box. Thankfully, we let it go because subscription businesses were dying after a while in the country. So thankfully, we had taken that pivot, and my long line of working with the clients had helped that I could take favor from them to do corporate projects for them. And that's how we kept refining on the idea. And it was just COVID which made us, be confined to the house. And we were like, okay, now nothing can happen. हम बाहर जाके shoot नहीं कर सकते, clients को पड़ी नहीं है video की. So what do we do? That is when we sat together for 2 months, and we just refined the idea of TGR and finally launched.